Alright, friends, we're working on video number 2 of our Epix 2010 box. Kenny Britt for the Titans. Adrian Peterson, a man that runs angry. Adrian Peterson, good running back. When was he drafted? Doesn't say. He doesn't say when he was drafted. Ryan Fitzpatrick, he seems to be working out for the Bills pretty good. Sean Green for the Jets, the ugliest uniforms in the league. Dominique Franks for the Falcons. Got a rookie card. And Deshaun Jackson for the Eagles. Noshawn Marino for the Broncos. And Matt Hasselbeck for the Seahawks. Cadillac Williams for the Bucks. That's our next card. Yeah, Cadillac Williams for the Bucks. Here's I guess my second Chiefs card, Matt Castle. Oh, I think we got ourselves a hit here. Not looking. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Alright. Put it towards the back. Matt Castle for the Chiefs. Joe Flacco for the Ravens. Braylon. Oops, I dropped the ball again. Edwards for the Jets. There's another rookie card of I'm not even try. Maybe I will see ya. Orja Row Tutu. How about just Tutu? Yeah. Sometimes it's just best to be quiet and not try. David Garrard for the Jags. Matt Leinart. I thought he would have been better than the quarterback that they have now. I forget where he went. Colston, Marquise Colston for the Saints, and the hit. Oh, we got an auto. Got ourselves an auto. Who is it of? Who is the auto of? Epic Rookie Campaign. Jonathan Dwyer from the Steelers. We've got ourselves in. And if you can see that right there, we got a little bit of stitching. Got some stitching right there. And his autograph. And for all the other athletes, if they just want to go ahead and use the whole sticker to write your name, you're okay to do that. I mean, they're not going to care if you use the whole sticker, so something to think about. But Jonathan Dwyer, card number 18 of 25. Can you see that right there? 18 of 25. The enclosed piece of jersey was cut from an authentic jersey personally worn by Jonathan Dwyer on 5/22 at the NFL Players Rookie Premiere. The attached autograph is an official autograph signed by Jonathan Dwyer. The authentic event-worn jersey and autograph were obtained and is guaranteed by Panini Incorporated. 18 of 25, Jonathan Dwyer, running back. Alright, we're going to put him up by the hits. Rather had Beanie Wells, but I'm happy with Jonathan Dwyer. I'd rather have had Javid Best or a rookie campaign, but I'm happy with what I got. Steve Smith for the Giants. Josh Cribbs. Fathead commercials for the Browns. Darren Sproles, probably the smallest guy in the NFL. Only like 5'8". 5'6". Look at that. 5'6", 181 pounds. But man, is he fast. Alright, Ryan Grant for the Packers. And for the rookies, Zach Robinson for the Patriots. Tony Romo. The Cowboys need to change their uniforms. Listen to me. If anybody out there has anything to do with the way the uniforms for the Cowboys are, go to Jerry Jones and drop a little bug in his ear about updating the uniforms. The old iron-on logos just ain't doing it anymore. You know, at least have them sewn on. You're rich. You can pay for it. Vernon Davis. Peyton Manning. Time for a couple more packs. You know, maybe I'm going to start a website, a blog website. The ugliest uniforms in the league and the best uniforms in the league. I think that'd be my first contest. Kevin Winslow Jr. Nice looking uniform. Chad Henne. Miami needs to update their uniform a little bit. Just clean it up some. Bring it into 2010. Ben Roethlisberger. Looks like I got some kind of a refractor here. Jay Cutler. Is it numbered? Yeah, 43 of 100. Jay Cutler, 43 of 100. And I'm going to the Lions game this Friday. I'm flying up. Me and my best friend are going to fly to Detroit. And we're going to go see Lions game. And we're going to watch Ndamukong Suh lay Cutler down on his butt a half a dozen times. I know it. And the Lions are going to walk out with the win. I can feel it. Alright. We'll set that over there with the other refractors. The rookie, Misi, Koa Misi. The Hawaiian or went to college at Utah. Okay. Got some homework to do then. There's Beanie Wells. Another Matt Forte. And I think I already pulled the LaShawn McCoy. Mohamed Massaquoi is the base. Phillip Rivers, the best quarterback in the league. San Diego got lucky when they drafted Eli, and he didn't want to go to San Diego, and they got Phillip Rivers instead. They got lucky. They really got lucky. Andre Johnson and Chris Johnson. Did you see him last week get into it with Finnegan? I mean, those two were going at it. I said put some gloves on him. Chris Johnson, the fastest man in the NFL. Don't think he's going to make 2,500 yards this year. The rookie, Jermaine Cunningham from the Pats. Carson Palmer, they are laying an egg this year. They got Ocho Cinco, they got Terrell Owens, and they just can't get it going in the air. Joseph Adai for the Colts, and Clinton Portis for the Redskins. I think he's out for the year now, too. I think he's got some injury problems. We got time for just one more pack. If I can get this thing open, we do. Ronnie Brown for the Fish. Marshawn Lynch for the Bills. Nate Burleson. Didn't I get him a little earlier? Sure did. For the Lions. Steven Jackson. I think this is a repeat of the first pack. Rush Hour. Epix Rush Hour for the Chiefs. Jamal Charles. And Randy Moss, who ain't playing for the Pats. Not even playing for the Vikings. Randy Moss, he's gone. Steve Smith. And Lewis Murphy for the Raiders. Alright, I'm going to hold off here. I'm going to download some of these videos, and we're going to come back, and I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I got about 7 packs left. Alright. Here's what we got so far. There's some of the base. There's some of the refractors. There's some of the rookies. There's some of the hits. That's what we're working on so far. Alright.